I'm Brian Cochran. I'm the Vice President of Operations at Bilco Corporation. Been in business since 1973. It's a third generation, family owned and operated, and I am third generation. We always are trying to make continuous improvements to the company. First, I'm always trying to improve my knowledge of all equipment and maintenance and anything about the equipment and procedures that I can do. Always improving those and bringing new knowledge in and implementing it into the company is key, and having my employees part of that with me is also part of that, and sending anybody out for outside training or anything we can find to help people out. Then the second part of that would be always improving manufacturing processes, making us leaner, more profitable, eliminating any waste wherever we can. You got to always be moving forward and coming up with something new to help out the company. And then the third would be always improving the quality of our product. We went ahead and made all written procedures for all pieces of equipment and all the positions we have here at Bilco Corporation. Also adding in extra QC checks throughout the way, and always improving those QC checks and how we do them and make them more efficient, and make sure we never have any defective parts get out of our building.